Surrender and return the ice cream to Katie.
Never.
Really? Oh, my tooth! Oh no!
Goodbye, Anima fools. Trackodile! Oh no, are you alright?
Jonny! I was fighting with Vicky, but I lost, and now I'm trapped.
Don't worry, buddy. Can you wait until help arrives?
Well, I'll try.
Hi, Jonny. What happened?
Tracodile's stuck in the city. I need you to go and free him with your drill.
All right. Look who we have here.
Yeah, I know. Can you help me, Bill?
I got you, Tracko. I think you're free now.
Yay! Thank you, pal. Ouch! I think I hurt my tooth while fighting Vicky. It hurts.
Let me see.
Oh.
You should see Jo at the hospital. She'll know what to do.
Hi, guys. Is everything okay?
Jo, we need your help. Trackodile has hurt his tooth.
This doesn't look very good.
Your mouth stinks. What did you eat, pal?
Oh, shut up.
Okay, I know what to do.
Eh?
Don't worry, it won't hurt.
Yay! I'm well again. Thanks, Joe.
Now we have to get Vicky.
And make her return the stolen ice cream.
Don't you ever get tired?
You won't get away with this, Vicky.
I'm trapped. Tracko, I need your help.
Oh no. Well, get ready. Come on.
Great job. Thanks, pal.
I think we're gonna need some help to catch Vicky.
Hi, Trackodile. All good?
Jonny! We're having trouble catching Vicky.
No worries. Activating power up.
Now we're talking! Let's go stop Vicky!
There she is.
We have to get her!
Come on, Trackodile. We can do it.
Don't look so proud. No. AnimaLoser.
Now it's my turn. Will you? Bullseye.
Huh?
You're gonna go straight to jail, Vicky.
Let me out, you foolish lizard!
That's what you get for stealing.
And for hurting my tooth.
Yeah, that too.
Stop it, Billdozer! What's wrong with you today?
Yes, you're doing great, my beautiful creation. With this evil version of Bulldozer, I'll turn everyone against the strongest anima car in town.
I'm in a real pickle. I have to call for help.
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob. You have to make Billdozer stop. I was painting some benches by the town hall and he started destroying everything.
Bulldozer, are you sure that doesn't sound like him?
I'm telling you, he's chasing me right now.
Leave it to me, Bob. I'll find out what's going on.
Hiya, Johnny. Ready for a mission, sir.
Bulldozer, what are you doing? Bob just called to say that you were wreaking havoc in the city.
What? That's impossible. I've been on my post all day.
This is so weird. Bob was really convinced that it was you.
Let me go there and investigate, Johnny. I'll get to the bottom of this.
All right, buddy, I trust you.
Huh? There's no one here. Bob? Is that you?
Please don't hurt me.
Come on, Bob. It's me. What's going on?
You tell me. You really scared me earlier.
What are you talking about?
Don't act like you don't know. I just saw you leaving towards Katie's restaurant.
It seems like someone's pretending to be me. I have to stop him. Katie, what happened?
What happened? You happened.
What?
Don't play dumb with me, Billdozer. Where did you take my ice cream? Where?
I didn't do this, Katie. It must have been my evil twin. Huh?
Ugh.
Oh, if I don't stop this soon, everyone will hate me. Huh? What's that? Of course! The stolen ice creams must be melting. And he's leaving a trail. If I follow it, I'm sure I'll find the culprit.
Huh? You better bring me my ice cream back. Well done, little bull. Oh my, I'm so much smarter than I imagined.
Are you sure about that?
Huh? Well, if it isn't the most hated anima car in the world.
Your silly plan is over now, Vicky.
Really?
Huh? Oh, that...
What's going on? Are those rocks too big for you, AnimaLoser? Don't worry, your evil twin will make sure that no one forgets about you. Come on, let's get away from this fool. Bye-bye.
That crazy brat and a cheap fake anima bull. I'm never gonna get out of here on my own. I have to call Johnny for help.
Bulldozer, everything okay?
Johnny, I need your help. Vicky has been causing chaos with an evil twin of me. And now she got me stuck.
Oh no, this is terrible. Got it. Don't worry, Billdozer. Activating power up.
Super drill. Amazing.
Let's see. Who can we annoy now?
Aha!
Huh? What's that?
Hello, Vicky. Long time no see.
No way. That animal fool got out of my trap. Well, if he doesn't want to learn his lesson, I'll make him.
Huh? Whoa! Yeah! Give up, Vicky. That old trick won't work with me again.
Don't worry, Katie. I'm sure you'll get your ice cream back. Oh no, he's back! The evil fool is back! There's two of them?
Okay, it's now or never. Ha!
Huh? No way.
Your little trip has come to an end, Vicky. Whoa!
Ow! Hey, let me out now!
Oh, your ice cream is so good, Katie.
Thanks, Billdozer.
We're really sorry, Billdozer. We shouldn't have doubted you.
Don't worry, guys. Besides, we may look the same, but I'm definitely stronger than him.
You'll pay for this, animal losers.
Stop, Vicky! That's enough!
Me? Stop? Never! See you, kitty kitty.
Hi, Tigers. How can I help you?
Johnny! Vicky got me stuck in mud and fled!
Don't worry, buddy. I know the perfect AnimaCar for the job. Hi, Billdozer.
Hi, Johnny. What's wrong?
Tigers need your help.
All right, I'm on it. Huh? Hi here! Bill, quick! I need your help! I got you, pal. Ugh. Thanks! Now we have to go for Vicky.
I never thought mud could be so much fun.
Stop right there, Vicky!
You win. Don't you ever get tired?
Getting tired, Vicky? Damn it! Tigers, I need your help. Get ready. Come on! Great job, pal. Thanks. Aha! But we need some help to catch Vicky.
Hi, Tigers. All good?
We're having trouble catching Vicky.
Don't worry. Activating power up.
That's it! Now let's stop Vicky! Oh no! I think she's going to the power plant! We must stop her before she gets there! Come on, Tigers! Get her!
Don't look so proud, AnimaLoser.
Now it's my turn! Bullseye!
Ew!
Well done, Tigers!
Oh, I can't get out!
Mud doesn't seem so fun anymore. Right, Vicky? Come on. Take this.
You'll pay for this, though, animal fools!
Yeah. There's a lot of work today.
Yes, boss. Oh no! What's going on?
Help! Ow! This is hilarious!
I can't get out of here. I'm stuck.
This is so funny. Come on, you can do better than that, purple unicorn.
Hi, Rhino Trucks.
Johnny, I need help. I am with Bob, and we're completely stuck in mud at the construction site. We need help.
Oh no, sounds bad. I'm going to send you some help.
Oh, thanks.
Hiya, Johnny. What's the mission?
You have to help Rhino and Bob at the construction site, but Vicky's around, so be careful.
All right. I'll take care of it.
Somebody help me!
Vicky, stop right now!
But wait! Help us, Billdozer!
Huh? Oh. Bob, are you ready? Well, I'll take that as a yes. Looks like I've caught a big fish.
Ugh. I'm finally out of that nasty mud. Thanks, Bulldozer.
Your turn. Oh? Yeah. Come on! Get out of the mud!
Thanks, pal.
You're welcome. And now it's time to catch Vicky.
No! Stop making fun of me!
Hello? Vicky, stay put!
I don't think so.
Oh, come on! But I'm not gonna let you escape this time.
Oh, well, thanks!
Leave me alone, you mechanical bull!
That's not going to stop me, Vicky.
All right, you might have more fun with this.
Oh no! I am the best!
See you around, mechanical bull.
Hi, Billdozer. All good?
I'm having a bit of trouble catching Vicky.
Don't worry. Activating power up.
Ugh, perfect. Let's go. Yeah, come on. Aha.
Huh?
Vicky, stop right now.
No way!
Vicky, listen to me. You gotta stop right now.
Never! No, 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 no! Ah!
It's not so funny now, is it, Vicky?
Oh no! Why always me?
It has to be around here somewhere. I can feel it. Wow, there it is! The clone machine! I'd better try and see if it works. Wow, it does work! Ugh, this tastes awful! But one more cupcake is one more cupcake. What if I go through the machine? Then there will be a twin as handsome, smart, and cool as me. What's up, kiddo? You look awesome in those colors. Whoa!
What's up, Rhino?
You'd better take a look for yourself.
This is not good. Hang in there, Rhino Trucks. Help is on the way. I should call Trackodile and see if he knows what's going on. That's strange. Hi, guys. We have a problem in the city. Some clones from Trackodile have appeared. You have to fix it.
All right. We'll take care of it. right there! Come on, Tiger Ears. Let's do that trick we've been practicing. Let's go!
Thank you, guys! Hey! I'm the real one!
I know! I did it as punishment for creating those evil twins. They are just like you.
It's just that there was a machine that created clones, and I didn't know it was all gonna go so wrong.
Well, you can argue about that later. Now it's time to find and destroy that machine.
All right.
Come this way.
Split up. We need to find it and destroy it.
I think it should be around here. This is gonna be tricky. I'd better use my head. Now for the machine. Well, if I can't do it with this head, I'd better use another one.
Hi, Billdozer. How's the mission?
Well, let's just say that the mission is proving to be a headache.
I take it you want the power up?
Yes, please. Maybe with the wrecking ball.
No! Stop! Let me go!
Oh no, the clones! I'd better hide! Oh no! I should have destroyed the machine before they arrived, but I didn't have enough time!
Never! Right! I will!
I think my hits must have changed the machine configuration. Anyways, I'd better go and help them. Well done, guys. I'll take care of the machine.
No! If you destroy it, you'll make all the evil clones disappear, but you'll also make Tracky disappear.
Tracky? Did you give it a name?
I'm sure we can take them on.
But it's just a clone.
Yeah, I know, but with him around, I don't feel so lonely.
Lonely? When do you feel alone? If we are always with you.
Yeah, but you guys are big and you run fast. I'm different. And I don't know, sometimes I feel lonely.
We consider you to be just the same as us. And this is your chance to prove it. You can decide what to do next.
I'm so sorry, Tracky.
Well done, Trackodile!
Yeah, but Tracky's gone.
We are still with you. And who knows? Maybe we'll see him again someday.